In this video, we're going to take a look at just an individual limit problem. We're just going to be taking the limit as x approaches 4 from the right of f of x, but my f of x function is going to be a piecewise function. All right, so the trick or key to this, it says x is approaching 4 from the right. All right, you have conditions over here in this piecewise function. All right, this will indicate to you whether you're coming from the right or coming from the left. This top one says if x is greater than 4 would be coming from the right to approach 4. The bottom one says if x is less than 4, so numbers on the left approaching 4 from the left. Okay, so because this is as x is approaching 4 from the right, I have to focus on the top and only top portion of this piecewise function in order to algebraically evaluate it. So then basically I'm looking at the limit as x approaches 4 from the right of the square root of x minus 4. Okay, that's going to be pretty much just a direct substitution. So the problem itself is not hard once you realize what portion of the function to look at. So when I do that direct substitution, I'll have the square root of a 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 on the inside is going to be a 0. Square root of 0 is just simply a 0. So definitely just a direct substitution on the limit, but the fact that this is a piecewise function, you've got to figure out what part of that piecewise function that you're going to use in your algebraic method. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so that they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.